So here is a POCO F7 with HyperOS 3.0 update. So right now the download has been finished and it's taking some time to extract that update of 7 GB size. Let's see how much time it actually takes to do that. So I did start the stopwatch and we'll try to find out how much time this extracting will take in the POCO F7. So the POCO F7. So with the HyperOS 3.0 update, 7 GB size. %62% extract after close to 7 minutes of time. This is the time and it's a Xiaomi HyperOS. So right now 80% and 9 minutes of time, as you can see guys. So right now we got the reboot, as you can see guys, reboot symbol. So first it was downloading and then extracting the update, and right now we got the reboot, and the total time taken for this was close to 12 minutes and 58 seconds. So close to around 12 minutes you can expect in terms of the complete extracting of the latest update in the Xiaomi HyperOS in the POCO F7 device. So right now, let's see guys, in this POCO F7 device, the update has been downloaded and extracted as well, which is about 7 GB, which is HyperOS 3. And right now after extracting, we got the reboot logo. And let's see how much time this is gonna take in terms of the complete reboot of the device with this update. That's what I'm going to demonstrate on the POCO F7 device. So let's find out in this video guys. So HyperOS 3.0, so which is a pretty good update, I would say, in terms of the visual enhancement and the performance and the stability wise as well. I'm going to test out in the POCO F7 device. So right now, let's see guys how much more time it's gonna take in terms of the complete reboot of the device after the download has been done. So right now we got the HyperOS logo. So powered by Xiaomi HyperOS. It's been right now close to 1 minute of time. The update is rebooting in the device. So let's see. It's done. So 1 minute and 15 seconds of time, total time taken to completely install this new update in the POCO F7 device. And I did do this complete update when the battery percent is below 20%. The phone did allow for that kind of performance. Already I can notice the difference in terms of the status bar design, a little bit kind of layout and everything. So it's taking a little bit kind of again more time to load the settings. Yeah, finally it did load. Let me go to the phone, and as you can see guys, Xiaomi 3.0 update. So right now Xiaomi HyperOS, which is running 3.0 in the POCO F7 device. So these are POCO F7 with the latest version of the 3.0 in this POCO F7 device. Let me know in the comment section below friends, and I'll definitely do the in-depth videos in details about the overall settings and visual enhancement in the POCO F7 device. I'll try to cover all of these features in the next upcoming videos in my channel. For that, you need to just subscribe to my channel. So, and also don't forget to follow the playlist videos for the POCO F7 as well, as you can see. So follow the playlist videos. So there you will be able to understand more details in depth about the POCO F7. Until then, signing off. Thank you for watching and bye.